All right, welcome back to another trading session. Alberto here. Today we're currently trading Nasdaq futures, and as we can see, the overall session for the overnight has been consolidating around VWAP. We recently had a break out of that consolidation zone around 7 a.m. Currently sitting in a downward trend. Cumulative delta looking short, everything is staying below VWAP, lots of imbalances short. We're about to open in about a minute and a half. As of news releases, we have US JOLTS job openings coming up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. JOLTS pretty much provides insights into the health of the labor market and can be seen as an overall economic gauge for the conditions. And when job openings are increasing, it can be seen as a sign of economic strength and confidence in business expansion, potentially leading to positive sentiment in the stock market or in the whole market. So, with that being said, let's see what numbers come out at the release. We need to be a little bit cautious until 10. Usually we take some positions before then, so we might see market not moving much until the release, but we're gonna keep looking for potential setups. With that being said, right now we are sitting at prior short imbalance. The overall trend, like I said before, is trending to the downside. We're sitting at over around 3,700 contracts below net delta neutral, and overall just looking for short trades right now. I'm not willing to trade against the trend, but we'll see what happens. We have a few seconds left until the open. The market just opened, just broke through the price swing level, retesting -1 deviation of VWAP. Looks like it's trying to make its way back, potentially retesting the short imbalance we have at 1825. The 900 mark has been tested right now and it's bouncing off of it. It's also the value area low of the volume profile. Let's see if we can break through the 900 mark. Cumulative delta looking strong. Have a nice push to the upside. Clearing that prior swing level. Maybe retesting that pending auction sitting at 14,888. We gotta be careful right now. Lots of orders coming in. Retesting that prior pending auction. Imbalance long. Retesting the open. We had a prior imbalance short right now. But cumulative delta not looking short yet in my eyes. Overall trend is to the upside. But we have to keep in mind we're sitting at below VWAP, a massive downtrend I would say. Potential entry would be a retest of this last imbalance short that we had Then we have a 91.50. That could be a potential short entry. It looks like price approaching there. Retesting a prime balance, getting back into this consolidation zone. Not the best consolidation zone, but the idea here is big delta with an imbalance short. Let's see if we can get a good position here. Motive delta really looking strong to the upside, but to clear these prior swing levels. It's had an imbalance short, making some higher lows right now. Shorter trend looks long. Nice imbalance. We're kind of right now sitting around the 900 mark. I'm gonna take this long. We had an imbalance to the upside, leaving a pending auction. Potentially retesting that prior swing level. We just got filled and immediately zipped down with an imbalance short. Sitting right now at minus 200, 400 contracts. The idea here was the imbalance to the upside with a pending auction. To me, I was looking for a potential long trade, taking out this prior swing level. Since we have a very small target, it got hit, but looks like we're still ranging in that area. This to me is looking like a very nice consolidation area. So we're gonna be waiting until price gets out of it, either breaks out long or short. And then we should look until then for potential entries, ideally a retest of the upper zones or the lower zones, depending on where price goes. Looks like we're about to break through, potentially coming back into imbalance, sitting at 18, 14.9, 18.75. See if we can break that swing level. Nice little push here in cumulative delta, chopping around the swing zone. Couldn't break through it. We're coming back into the range. See if we can break through now. Had just an imbalance along with an pending auction. Those are good indications of the market might be wanting to keep pushing to the upside. Problem here is that the overall trend is to the downside, so we gotta be careful when going long. We just need quick moves since we're going for such small targets. Price came back right into that imbalance long that was just printed. Let's see if we can clear this imbalance short, potentially retesting this 14.910 zone. We have some pending auctions sitting around that level. I would like to see retest and potentially continuing long. Slowly we're making our way up, potentially retesting VWAP. I'm gonna take this one long. Let's see if we can continue in this direction. Just got stopped out. We just clear all these pending auctions, retesting the upper area of this consolidation area. Cumulative delta staying flat. Imbalance short, we're about to get stopped out right now. 2 losses in this chop zone. Late entry for me. I should have entered on the first bar. That was long. Currently staying away. Retesting prior imbalance long. Leaving a pending auction. Not looking promising for an entry for me. But nice push to the upside. Missing the whole move. Balance short, I'm gonna take it. Some sellers coming in. Price almost took me out. Got filled. The idea, I wanted to actually take the entry as soon as the imbalance with the pending auction printed. That was an entry, a valid entry for me. The problem is right now we're sitting in a tight range for the past few minutes. Currently 2 wins, 2 losses. Just wait to see what the market does. Short-term trend is to the upside. Potential ABC pattern here, continuing short, retesting the prior swing level. I'm gonna take it. We got filled. The idea here is we have this consolidation area. We try to break through it without luck, coming back into this zone, and then we finally break through it. We come back to retest the prior swing level almost to the tick, and then we get a continuation all the way to the prior swing that was printed. So what we're doing really is retesting prior levels and using targets, either swing the last swing level as the target, and with just 5-point moves we can get our target hit without a problem. The only key here is our precision needs to be perfect. So this entry is perfect because as soon as the first bar goes in the direction of the trade, you should be entering. For example, on this R1, this was a late trade, so this was an error. Luckily we have 3 wins, 2 losses. The way I trade, I mean, I don't have to be sitting in front of the screen for a long time. Sometimes it takes a while until I feel comfortable taking a position. With that being said, usually I don't take more than 5 trades, otherwise commissions are gonna start adding up. But the whole overall idea is look for the short-term trend. Here is actually looking long. You wanna trade in that direction, although the overall trend is short, so we have conflicting signals. That allows me to kind of go in either directions. Since if we start looking, we can see that it's just ranging around these zones and then around this other area, coming back into this consolidation area. We have at 10 a.m. the release, so market is not really moving in one direction specifically in the past since the open. With that being said, I think we're gonna call it a day. Thank you for watching. If you like content like this, please subscribe, leave a comment below. We also have a Discord channel. We'd love to connect with you. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.